Are you looking for the Bissell BG10 BigGreen commercial carpet extractor? We've reviewed nicely, so let's start. Features: dual water tanks. The Bissell BigGreen commercial BG10 deep carpet cleaner deals with that particular annoyance by featuring two large and entirely separate 1.75-gallon water tanks. The dirty water tank is located on top and the clean water tank is located at the bottom of the cleaner. Dual motors. The Bissell BG10 has two motors running inside it, with one of them used to turn the cleaning brushes, while the other one runs the suction function of this cleaner. This means that you have far more power at your disposal. Flow indicator. This neat feature removes all the guesswork when using this carpet cleaner, trying to gauge how much water you have left in comparison to the solution. This means you can avoid running out of water and solution right in the middle of cleaning a room. Edge-to-edge suction. The BG10 doesn't come with any separate hose attachments, so you need it to do a great job on your carpet first time around. Thankfully, the edge-to-edge cleaning capabilities of this carpet shampooer means that any carpet you use this commercial cleaner on will be thoroughly cleaned and will also dry more quickly thanks to the dedicated suction motor. Dirt lifter brushes. The extractor-proven dirt lifter cleaning brushes technology, a powerful brushing technology that will loosen dirt and embedded stains from carpets. One of those is used solely to drive the dirt lifter cleaning brushes, ensuring that your carpets are deep cleaned every single time. Forward and back cleaning. A true commercial carpet shampooer can provide cleaning and suction all the way through the shampooing process. The fact that it can clean continuously also means that you can cut down the amount of time it takes to clean each room thoroughly. Cord length. The BG10 features a 1 feet black power cord plus 25-foot yellow power cord extension, which gives you an overall cleaning radius of roughly over 50 feet, more than enough for the vast majority of large family homes or commercial premises. Pros. It has a large water tank that is easy to remove and fill. You can often do an entire room with only one tank of water. It isn't a pain to empty and refill. Separate tanks for clean and dirty water, so you won't see performance degrade as gunk accumulates in the single water tank. It has decent suction, so the floors will be dry in an hour or two. Cons. This model has a tendency to leak from the water level indicator, and the leak can get bad enough to push off the level indicator.